Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Nwadangozi and you're welcome back to Nwadangozi channel. Okay, today we'll be looking at numerals, ọnụọgụgụ Igbo. We're going to learn how to count in Igbo language, ranging from 1 to anywhere we will stop. But today we'll look at counting 1 to 10. Then we continue from 11 to the next place. We'll continue on our next video. Okay, the reason for taking it this bit by bit is for us to learn. And how I'm going to do this is when I mention any number, I'll wait so that it will assimilate, then I'll mention the next. Hope you do find this video interesting. And before I continue, kindly go back, like, subscribe to my channel. I love you. Okay, the first one we have here is Otu. Otu. That is 1. Otu. That is 1. Now, Otu. 1. Abụọ. Abụọ. That is 2. Atọ. Atọ. That is 3. Anọ. 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 That is 4. Ise. 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 That is 5. Let's start from 1 to 5 again. Otu. Otu. Abụọ. Abụọ. Atọ. Atọ. Anọ. Anọ. Ise. Ise. That is 1 to 5. In different dialects in Igbo language, in Igbo land, many people tend to have things they call some of these numbers according to their dialects. But it doesn't dispute the fact, it doesn't stop the fact that these are the generally accepted name for these numbers. That's the Igbo, the well accepted language, what we accept generally, what we accepted to call it. Now, for instance, you might see something like Otu. For Otu, that's 1. You might hear something like Nna, Nge, Olu. From where I'm coming from, Ohafia, we call it Olu. You might see something like Nna, Nge, Olu. Yes, whether you hear Nna, Nge, Olu, Nna, all of them, what we're talking about is 1. Now, you can also hear something like Ibwa. Yeah, some people, some dialects call Abo Ibwa. It also means 2. 3. Some people call it Ito. Instead of Ato, they call it Ito. But that doesn't mean that it has changed. Everything, what you're saying is still the same thing. But the Iwizube, the generally accepted one, is Otu. Abụọ. Atọ. Anọ. Ise. Otu. Abụọ. Atọ. Anọ. Ise. Otu. Abụọ. Atọ. Anọ. ise. Okay, let's continue from the from 6. 6 is called ishi. 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 Ishi and ise are not the same thing. Ise 5. Ishi 6. Ishi. Asa 7. Asa 7. Asa 7. Asato. Asato 8. Asato 8. Iteghete 9. Iteghete 9. Iteghete 9. Some people call it itolu. Yeah, iteghete or itolu, you mean 9. Iri 10. Iri 10. Iri 10. Now let's take from 6 to 10. Ishi. Ishi 6. Ishi 6. Asa 7. Asa 7. Asato 8. Asato 8. Asato 8. Itolu 9. Iteghete or itolu 9. Iri 10. Iri 10. Iri 10. Okay, let's do a rundown. Otu 1. Otu 1. Abụọ 2. Abụọ 2. Atọ 3. Atọ 3. Anọ 4. Anọ 4. Ise 5. Ise 5. Ishi 6. Ishi 6. Asa 7. Asa 7. Asato 8. Asato 8. Iteghete or itolu 9. Iteghete or itolu 9. Iri 10. Iri 10. These are the Igbo alphabets from 1 to 10. I hope you find this video helpful. See you next time. Please don't forget to like, share, and on your notification channel for more. Goodbye. Love you.